This video demonstrates how to set up classes for literary and numeracy assessments and then assign students to the classes. To begin, go to Class Lists, Setup, and Set Up Classes. To create a new course, type in the course number and course name. The course type is O for optional. The BC Ministry course code is LTE 10. Notice that the grade level is entered as part of the code and the level field is left blank. Then enter ME followed by an asterisk for the exam type. Enter 0 for the credits and 0 for the weights and then click Add. The new course will be added to the list. Now click on the course and we can add a section. Enter 1 for the section number. You can enter the period for the course or leave it blank. You can also enter the day and the term and the teacher assigned to the class if there is one. If you check the checkbox for Exclude, then this class will not be printed on report cards. Then click Add. To add students into the class, click on the section where it says Edit. Now you can add students to the class by typing in the student number or name of the student. You can repeat this process to create the class for Numeracy Assessment NME 10. You can also assign all the grade 10s to the Literary and Numeracy Assessment classes all at once. Go to Class Lists and choose Add, Delete, or Replace Classes. Then choose Grade and select your grade 10s. Click OK and then click OK to proceed. Now you can select the Literary Assessment and Numeracy Assessment classes from the list. So I'll choose Literary Assessment, Section 1, and then click Add. And then Numeracy Assessment, Section 1, and click Add. And I'll uncheck the box to schedule within class limits because I want to assign everybody in grade 10 to this class. So I'll just click OK. And now all the grade 10s have been assigned to both literary and numeracy assessment classes. The assessment classes will be included on the tracks transfer to the ministry in the exam file. The courses will be printed separately on the tracks TVR and BC transcript reports. You can also go to BC Setup, Tracks Courses to change or edit any of the settings for literary and numeracy assessment. You can also set the completion date for the classes. Just go to BC, Data Entry, Set Tracks Data. Select the Literary Assessment class from the list. Choose Section 1, and then enter the year and month of completion. And click Save. And then you can repeat the process for numeracy assessment. That completes the process of creating the literary and numeracy assessment classes for grade 10s.